to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my luxury favorites of 2020. So if you want to know everything I used and loved this year, please keep watching. Now, just like the preface of all the other videos, 2020 was unlike any other year. I used my luxury goods minimally, partly because I didn't leave the house a lot. But for a year where I didn't leave the house a lot, I do have a handful of items to share with you guys today. So let's dig right in. The first item that was very well loved this year was my Louis Vuitton Monogram bum bag, and here she is. So I got this for my birthday this past year. I have used it so much. I don't know if you can tell the amount of patina. I don't think so, but I love this bum bag. It is just everything. This is a bag that I've wanted for over a year, but it was always sold out. Also, I was afraid that I wouldn't get enough use out of it, but last year I purchased the Gucci GG belt bag, and I'll insert a picture on the screen, and I used the heck out of that. So this is one way that I wear it, which I am surprised, one, that I can even fit it across my chest, because not only am I plus size 16, but I have a larger chest. But I do wear it like this. It fits comfortably. Like, I love it like this if I'm going to the grocery store, if I'm going to be carrying a lot of things, or with certain outfits, this doesn't work. If I am wearing like really thick sweatpants, it just makes me look even bigger. So with certain outfits, it's easier to wear it like this. It's also easiest to wear like this if I'm going to be running errands and hopping in and out of the car, because when I wear it around my waist, I kind of have to pull it up when I sit down because my waist is smaller than my hips, and so it just makes it weird for adjusting. So if I'm going to be running a lot of errands, I like to wear it as a crossbody bag, and honestly, this has been one of my favorite bags. I took this bag almost everywhere this year because the only places I really went were appointments, meetings, and to the grocery store for the most part. Louis Vuitton bum bag, you cannot go wrong with this bag. If you are thinking about getting it, I would highly recommend it. So useful, and it's a classic piece. It's a bum bag, a fanny pack. You can literally use this until you are 80. I also thought that I wouldn't like the closure because it's an actual buckle, but I don't find that it's too cumbersome. It works just fine. And it's plus size friendly, so that's great as well. Okay, my second bag that I have used so much this year, and I'm still actually wearing it right now, is none other, let me close her, my Teddy Blake Ava. And you guys, I am obsessed. This bag is so good. It is so rich in terms of the color, the leather. This is an Italian leather brand, Teddy Blake. They make high quality leather luxury handbags. I am just enthralled. It features a back zipper. I will link my unboxing that I did down below. Now, the only con with this bag is that to actually put these little flaps in the little pieces right here, you have to flatten the top because of how this bag is made. So you can't just hold it and go like this. Well, with this one you can, but not this side. It just doesn't really work. So you kind of have to flatten it at the top to get the top to be a little smaller. So for that reason, I wear this bag like this. I don't really go many places now that the world is open but not safe. I don't frequent places where it's not safe for me to have my bag like this. But if I were to go to a mall or the airport or something, I would buckle it. I also use it as a shoulder bag. I've been using it like that when I go shopping during Vlogmas. If I need to, I'll wear it as a crossbody. The best bag. Now, I was gifted this bag from Teddy Blake. I do have a coupon code for you guys, but it doesn't matter that I was gifted this bag because I love it. And if you guys go to my Instagram, which I will leave across the screen, you will see just how much I wear this bag all the time. Okay. I bet you guys didn't think you would see this. My Louis Vuitton Keepall 50 bandolier. Now, I did not think the Keepall was gonna make this list, but honestly, you guys, I'm so glad I purchased this for my birthday. I got it pre-owned from an eBay seller in Japan, which I highly recommend. And I will link videos I've done down below about shopping pre-owned. But Not only does it have the perfect amount of patina so that I don't have to worry about it, this is a great bag for taking for day trips. Like when I go to someone's house and I'm gonna be there for more than 6 hours and I need to change clothes, or maybe I need to bring makeup, extra shoes, equipment, if I'm gonna be filming videos, if it's a shoot day. This is perfect. It's like a fancy gym bag. I know it probably sounds a little crazy, but I collect Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton is probably my favorite designer. And this is something that I am so glad to have in my collection. I got it for like 50% off the retail value. I am obsessed. I have used it to travel once when I did my staycation here in Atlanta, but I love this bag so much. This is the size 50, so it's large, but it's not too large. You can carry it in the cabin if you are flying. It's the perfect size. I'm so happy that I got it. And when I purchased it, I was thinking, am I gonna be able to use it this year because I can't really travel? But the answer is yes, because it's the perfect functional duffel bag for like days away from your home. I love it. Okay, one clothing item that I can't get enough. I can't get enough. What's that song that Tamia says? Da, da. I can't get enough of you, or however it goes. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I can't get enough of my Natori caftan. I will insert a picture that I put on Instagram of myself in this caftan. I received this for my birthday once again, and I have been wearing it weekly since my birthday. I did split the seam. My friend says it was because I was dancing, twerking in it, but my mother helped me sew it up. This is just fabulous. Natori is it Japanese? It might be Japanese, but it's an Asian brand of luxury caftans, dresses, loungewear, intimates. I am obsessed. So I will leave the picture in this video for you guys to see what it actually looks like. This is just perfect. I know some people think that caftans are old lady-ish. You know, that doesn't bother me. I wear what I like. And that caftan is an absolute favorite of mine because I like being comfy and cozy, but also looking chic. And I need another one because that's how obsessed I am with it. Next up, SLGs. This little baby has gone with me every time I've left the house this year, and this is my Louis Vuitton 4 key holder. I purchased this pre-loved for probably half the price, maybe 2 years ago. I had it originally with the pink button, but that little pink button scratches off, then you have to get it repaired, then you don't have your key holder for about a month. So I purchased this one off of eBay. It is vintage, it's really old, but it's in such great condition, and the canvas feels a lot thicker and better quality than the ones that are new. So there's a little tip. And that's also why I love purchasing pre-loved, because the quality sometimes, especially with Louis Vuitton, is just so much better. But yes, I love this because for the most part, you can have your keys in this and they won't scratch the interior of your bags. Now, my car key is rather large, and because of the hole right here for the ring, it doesn't really fit in here. Hopefully I'll get a new car within the next few years, but I love this. I will never stop using it. To me, it's one of these essential pieces. This is also a great piece to start your luxury collection with because you get a little taste of luxury every time you leave the house. You don't have to have it showing. Nobody knows you have it but you, but it's just everything. I love this piece. I used to have the 6 key holder when I was in grad school, but it was a bit too large. I only need like 3 or 4 keys inside. I also have my gym pass in there. I love this. So functional, and you can also get it hot stamped. Love it. So because I've been carrying a mini bag and a bum bag, the only wallet I have carried all year, my Chanel card case. This is the Pearlescent one from a few years back. I purchased this from the pre-owned Facebook groups and I love it. Now, there are a few things that I don't like about it, but overall I do love it. It's a little hard to get in and out of just because of the functionality, but I also may have like too many cards in it. But I've been carrying a card case all year. I just haven't been carrying bags that are large enough to require a full-size wallet. I don't know if you can tell, but the leather is like a little bit frosty. It's like a pearlescent pink. I don't know if you can tell because it's dark outside and I'm filming with lighting, but I've been using this all year. I'm obsessed. I love a card case. This is another item that's perfect if you want to delve into luxury without having to spend too much money, especially if you go pre-loved. This has just been so perfect. I can even fit it in my pocket. I can fit it in my activewear pockets. It's just perfect. It fits in every bag that I own except like the Chanel wallet on chain, but love this, the Chanel Pearlescent card case. Well, I don't really know what it's called, but it looks pearlescent and it has the CC and like pearl on the front. Wow, yeah, that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed me sharing my luxury favorites of 2020. Like I said, I didn't really get to use my bags and accessories and even my SLGs. I bought a Gucci cosmetics case for my birthday this year and I didn't get to use it because it can't fit in any of my small bags. And because of germs, I don't like carrying a big bag because the larger it is, the more likely I am to sling it around, for it to hit things, to fall on the floor. So like I have items that I haven't even started to use. So yeah, it was a rough year for luxury, but honestly, I'm just fortunate enough to still have been able to buy luxury this year. But that's another thing. I also didn't buy as much luxury this year because I wasn't going anywhere. I had a full list of luxury that I wanted to buy, but I just felt like I'm not going anywhere, so I'm gonna spend that money on other things. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing a little chunk of my luxury collection and the things that I used most this year. Let me know down below what were some items that you guys have used most this year, because I'm always looking to add new things to my collection and I'm also a bit nosy. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. If it's not next year, have a happy and safe new year. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.